Hello everyone! In this video we are going to talk about Facebook Pixel setup for Shopify. In order to understand what I'm doing, you need to know what is Shopify. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Rita and I'm a digital marketer from SocialLink. If you have any more questions in the end of this video, you can send me an email to the email address that you can see right now on your screen. I'm not going to explain to you what is Pixel or how to use it in general in this video. If you want to learn more about Facebook Pixel, I will leave a link in the description below to my Facebook advertising course. You can learn everything you need to know about Pixel there. For this video, we are going to practice and I'm going to show you how to connect your Pixel directly to your Spotify. It's a really easy process, so just stay with me and let's do it. I'm in my events manager right now and I'm in my Pixel screen. So as you can see, there is a graph here that shows my website traffic. All I need to know for this process is my Pixel ID. So as you can see, just by going to here with my mouse sign, I already have an option of copy text to clipboard. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to click on it and text was copied. That's all I need. I just need my Pixel ID number. Now, if you want to connect, you already have here a setup and you can choose Install Pixel. And now you can choose one of Facebook integration partners. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to click here and we're going to look for Shopify. I'm going to click on Shopify and instead of getting an automatic connection, I'm getting instructions for how to connect my Shopify with my Facebook Pixel. So as you can see, it shows me to go to my Shopify home. Then, let's see what it shows next. Underneath Online Store, I have Preferences, and here I have Facebook Pixel ID. I need to verify it, and I need to see that it's working, and pretty much that's it. That's what I have. So let's go to Shopify. I'm in my Shopify right now. I'm clicking on Online Store. I'm choosing Preferences from here. And if I'm going to scroll down, I can see my Pixel ID. So if you want to change it, you just need to click on Change and paste your own ID that you just copied. And then you need to click on Save to make sure that everything here is saved and working. And that's it. Then you need to go back to your Events Manager to make sure that your Pixel is active, that it's green, and you're actually getting a traffic. You won't get traffic right away after Pixel implementation. So the other way to check that your Pixel is working is to use test events right here on Facebook. From your left, you choose test event. Here you just enter your website URL and you open your website. That's how you can understand that Facebook actually sees a pixel on your website, but it's kind of a long process to check it out. The fastest way that I'm doing it with is by using a Pixel Helper extension. It's free. It's a little extension that you can install into your Chrome. I will leave a link to that installation in the description below, but it looks like this, a little sign right here. If it has a number here, it's already a sign that it's working. And here you can see your Pixel ID and you can see which event right now is active. Right now we have a page view and this is my Pixel ID. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you and I see you in the next one.